I'm Noah, and I have my partner Mark with me. We're the founders of Dejure, a platform for investing in litigation finance. We have decades of experience as practicing lawyers. We started at 2 of the largest U.S. law firms, and we went on to form our own firm together. We've recovered hundreds of millions of dollars for our clients during our careers, and we built Dejure to take advantage of opportunities in a market we know well, litigation finance. What is litigation finance? It's the business of providing capital to a party with a lawsuit to cover litigation costs in return for sharing in the proceeds of the suit. Put simply, it's investing in lawsuits and legal claims. Lawyers and their clients use litigation finance to defray risk and bring cases they otherwise couldn't afford to bring. A typical situation might involve a small company with a contractual claim against a large corporation. The company wants to pursue its claim, but knows it will be expensive and doesn't want to bet its future on the outcome. So it uses litigation finance to de-risk and retain some upside if the case is won. Litigation finance entered the U.S. market a decade ago, and it's grown rapidly. It's outperformed other asset classes, and it's uncorrelated to financial markets. Litigation funders have consistently reported IRRs in excess of 30% annually, and even Harvard University now invests in litigation finance. But the market has 2 problems that are now slowing its growth. The first is a lack of access, and the second is inefficiency. Individual investors have almost no access to these investments. Most of the current funders are institutional. As a result, the market is deprived of a significant source of potential capital. The market's also inefficient. The existing group of funders have been unable to reach most of the large pool of potential customers, and they have failed to develop any secondary market. As a result of these problems, only about 10% of a $30 billion annual market opportunity is being realized. That's why we built Dejure, a first-of-its-kind platform which allows users to invest in portfolios of litigation and individual cases. We tokenize the investments using blockchain technology, currently on Ethereum, and we're developing Algorand issuance capability as well. Dejure solves both the access and inefficiency problems. We open litigation finance to a much wider audience, giving access to individual accredited investors and ultimately through secondary trading, retail investors as well. We also improve market efficiency by providing a platform where lawyers and their clients can quickly access funding opportunities. We're also the only place to trade these assets, and by tokenizing them, we reduce trading friction and will ultimately enhance liquidity. As the first and only mover in secondary trading, we expect our volumes to scale quickly as the size of our fundings increase. The total worldwide market for litigation is around $500 billion annually. But not all of these cases are suitable for litigation finance. Some don't have sufficient spread between their costs and potential damages. So we focus on cases with the proper metrics, primarily commercial disputes, class actions, and mass tort cases. The market for these types of litigation is estimated to be $33 billion annually. This is a huge opportunity for Dejure because, as I said, only about 10% of this market is currently being served due to the problems I discussed. Here's what we've accomplished so far. In December of 2019, we completed the world's first tokenized litigation finance investment. In September of this year, that investment was completed with a 57% ROI. We currently have $120 million of litigation finance deals for which we're raising capital, 230 investor signups, and direct contacts with most of the top litigation funders in the world. We see Asia as a significant market opportunity where institutional investors and high net worth individuals are a largely untapped source of capital for alternative asset investing, like litigation finance. Let's talk about how we make money. We charge a 1% listing fee, 2% management fees, and 20% carried interest on each of our investments. We're seeking $1 million primarily for hiring and marketing so that we can scale quickly and continue to gain market share. With this investment, we expect to complete $300 million in fundings by the end of 2022. That will produce $15 million in revenue and allow us to focus on secondary trading and tokenizing other alternative assets. Dejure is the future of litigation finance, and we look forward to speaking with you during the Q&A. Thank you.